Atlantic, the name of the legend, the most powerful and fastest of all the locomotives, a story of millions of tons of cargo and millions of passengers. WoodTrick proudly presents the Atlantic Express. It embodies all the power and beauty of this mechanical masterpiece. Once, this locomotive was built with one goal in mind: to conquer the speed. Bullet-like silhouette, streamlined shape, and perfection in motion. Only mechanics and engineering, attention to even the smallest details, will remind you of this. Getting in touch with the famous heritage of the Atlantic Express is now available for everyone. The souvenir model Atlantic Express will add to the WoodTrick set of locomotives, which includes the Chug-Chug, as well as the bestseller Locomotive R17. The perfect gift for any occasion has been found. This is the Atlantic Express locomotive.